My name is Bhavesh Suryavanshi, and I have completed my bachelor's in engineering in automobile sector from Ahmedabad. And I converted NMIMS Mumbai core, IMI Delhi, IMT Ghaziabad, and among these three, I will be going to NMIMS Mumbai. I started Endeavor in year 2017 August, and I was in a full-fledged batch of AD 26 CAT 18. But at that year, I didn't get into any good B school. So definitely, when I started for this thing, my goal was to have to secure an admission into IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore or Calcutta. Of course, the dream for everyone is among the same only. But when I get into the Endeavor, I get a clear picture that there is more than IIM, and there are also different B schools which offer good programs, and so my scope get wider, and in that manner that gets clear for me. We believe that you always need to be ready with a plan, because great things are not achieved without any plan. And here at Endeavor, we got a systematic curriculum, and they're getting we start from clearing the basic concept and gradually ends up getting a good grip on the subject. It's very similar like if you want to climb stairs, you need to start from the ground floor, and you need to go a step by step and cover every step. So it's much similar to that thing only. At Endeavor, we gave nearly 25 CAT mocks. Almost majority of them were very much similar to what we appeared in the CAT examination. But yes, there were some of the good surprises for us. Some were difficult, some were very easy, some were very difficult, but they were in very small proportion. Of course, the motive was to make ourselves ready for any surprise if it gets in the final CAT examination. The GDPI preparation was definitely very helpful for us. The first thing being the GDPI sheet which Endeavor provides to us, which initially helps us to introspect ourselves and find out the USPs of our own which we can sell into the interviews. And then the main thing comes, and that is mock GDPI round, where we appear for 4 to 5 PI minimum, and all the mistakes which we can make into the actual interview, we go through it from the mock interviews, and that helps us a lot to improve our answers for any type of question which might hinder or restrain us in actual interview. Definitely, when someone is there for us who is constantly looking upon us that on which path we are going, what are the mistakes we are making, and how to improve it, and everybody is going to give effort for the CAT, but it's all about what right steps you do exactly, which gives you the fruitful results. And more than that, uh, it should amplify our efforts. It should because just I say that everyone is going to give effort, but effort should not go in wrong direction, and that's where one-to-one mentorship helps us. Definitely, website portal was one of the best thing at Endeavor, because we had the analysis of all our mocks and tests, whichever we preferred, and there were videos. Although being into the full-fledged batch, the requirement of video lectures were very less because the concepts were clear in the lectures only. So the main thing was the analysis which was given onto the website, which helps us to find precisely which subject, which topic we are missing out, and exactly where to put our more effort, so that we can go from a 100% clearance of our own self. And of course, the GDPI capsule at Endeavor, which was very interactive, which was very fun learning for us. And what is better if our favorite pastime is helping us in grinding ourselves in some of the places like GK and all these things. First one will be the follow the curriculum. Without any doubt, it is one of the best planned curriculum for the CAT. Just do what your mentor has instructed you without thinking that will it be enough or not. Don't try to mix the different pedagogy into this one. This is the perfect pedagogy which has helped many students till now, and it is definitely the balanced one, which itself regains something more values every year. So just follow the pedagogy which Endeavor is having. Do not try to amalgamate the different things into it. Second is the sharing. every mentor is going to give you the best as possible. They will always be 100% sure from their side. But beyond that, it all depends upon the student how much they want to take more from it. And for that, students need to share as much as they can with their mentors. It's all about going beyond the limits. And for that, you need to come forward beyond what you are instructed to do and ask more from your mentor. I'm sure no one will deny for it, and every help will be possible from their side. And the last thing I will like to give is take breaks after every 10 to 12 days of very hard work where you screw yourself day and night. You should take at least 1 day break to give the mind needed rest and to make it more productive, so that your mind does not get bored of doing the same thing daily, which might worsen the condition to study. So yes, taking breaks at every 10 to at the interval of 10 to 12 days will be very helpful in the progress. Passing 2.5 years into the endeavor, the one best thing I have gained, which I learn and will always be an integral part of me, is discipline. Because before endeavor, I think I was lacking into that part. If you ask me to summarize endeavor in a single word, it would be discipline. The disciplined manner in which endeavor works is very something rare to find. I mean, and that again is the most important factor behind the success of students, of the students as well as endeavor and as an institute. So yes, discipline is the most important thing I have got from endeavor, and that's it.